How to fix Telegram downloaded media file not showing in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix if your Telegram downloaded media files is not showing in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you're not able to find your downloaded file, you can check in File Manager or folder. So for that, you have to open File Manager in your device. Here you have to head over to your internal storage. Here, tap on Android, then tap on Media, scroll down a bit, and then go to org.telegram.messenger, then go to Telegram. Here, you might find the files that is not appeared in gallery, but you will find it here. But if still you are not able to find it right here, you can close this, open up Telegram in your device. Tap on three-line icon from the top left corner, tap on Settings, scroll down a bit and then go to Data and Storage. Here scroll down a bit and under Save to Gallery option, make sure you have toggle on the option that says Private Chats, which will save all your photos and videos from the chats. And if that's not your case, you have to check for the application permission. For that, you can close this, open up Settings, tap on Apps, tap on Telegram. Here, scroll down and tap on Permissions. Ensure storage of files and media permission is enabled here. Scroll down a bit and then go to Not Allowed section. And here make sure to allow the permission for the storage or files and media. And if you have overlaid on it and still you are not able to find it again, the next thing you have to make sure if the application is up to date to its latest version or not. So to check that, open up Play Store, navigate to the search icon from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Telegram. And if there is any pending update, you have to update the application. Tap on Update. Once the application is updated, go back, open up the application and see if your problem is solved or not. If still not, now you have to clear some cache of the application. For that, again navigate to your settings, again tap on Apps and then go to Telegram. Here scroll down a bit and then go to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. This can fix issues related to missing or improperly saved files. Once you have done that, you can close this and open up Telegram again and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, now a quick restart can sometimes resolve system level issues affecting file visibility. So you can restart your device. After you restart, check for your issue. If still not, now check for your storage issue. Ensure your device has enough storage space for new downloads. If your storage is full, files may not download or save in your device. And even if you have enough storage and still you're not able to find the files, now the last option is to open up the Telegram and tap on the three-line again, tap on Settings and navigate towards the Data and Storage. Here under Automatic Media Download, toggle off all of this from here and toggle it on again. Once you have tried all of the solutions, your problem will get solved. So that's how you can fix if you're not able to find the downloaded media files in your Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.